Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to physically multiply the current value of all of your customers' points within the system. So what do I mean by that? So if I lock myself in now, okay, I've selected a customer and let's put an item in, for example. Okay. And what I'm going to do redeem points on here. So at the moment, this person has 100 points and the value is worth £1 off, effectively. That's the general default, effectively. So for every 100 points you have, it's £1 off. But for example, you might have a load of customers in your database with an absolute shed load of points, and you want to encourage them to come in and physically use those points, get them physically through your front door. So what we can do is, as an added promotional thing you could physically, all you have to do is turn on this setting and it makes everyone's points double or triple or quadruple depending on how you want to play it. So we're going to go to the point scheme and discount section here, and it's this one here, points multiplier. Don't be mistaken with the item point multiplier. That's slightly different. That is a separate video, but this is the one we're looking for. So at the moment it's set to 1, so it's just normal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that to 2. Okay, and I'll save settings on that one. And what that then basically has done, it's now multiplied everything by 2. So if I now have the same customer, same product in there, click on redeem points, he has 100 points, but the value now is worth £2 off. So that's a nice, quick, easy way to, if you do any sort of promotion, you put out on Facebook and anything like that, saying everyone come in, all your points that you got in your system, they're all worth now double or triple or something like that. You turn on that setting for that weekend, they all pour in, and use that as a sort of a way to physically get their loyalty back. You know, they've already come in and actually generated that amount of points, so let's encourage them to actually spend them. So that's pretty much a nice and easy way of doing it, and that way you can literally go, yeah, I want to get rid of that, I will get rid of 100 points, and it's knocked off £2. Nice and simple, and there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you much for watching. Take care, and I'll check you out next time. See you now.